finally, let's go ahead and assemble the handle onto the handle post. And so as you can see, this is a circular um, shape here, and it is going into this. Let me fix this. It's going into this hole here. So when I go to constraint, the best option to choose, the best assembly would be insert, and we are going to want, let's see, how do we want to do this? We will do these oppose. And let's see what this gets us. Okay, so here I'm choosing the top part uh, of the post, and then here I'm going to choose this outer edge here. And so let's see, this is what I get. Now notice that it's not quite flush, and I can fix that by going to the like by using an offset. And remember the um, the depth of the hole is 12 millimeters. This piece here that's sticking out, this is 10. So I can actually just I can offset this by 10. Oops, wrong direction. Put a negative there. Okay. Click apply. Get out of this. And so it's gonna. All right. There's again, there's other ways you could have achieved the same outcome, but I, we saw that it was centered. Everything was centered, but it was just slightly off, and so we use an offset to make sure that this is flush down on our handle post here. So there you have it. And remember that let me move this around. Remember that the handle post is still grounded, but this isn't. So I can move this up and down like this. Um, One thing we can try also is we'll take this handle post, and let me see if I can take the ground off of this. Oops. All right. Let's make this grounded and underground this. Okay. So I made the pivot box grounded, and then I made all these other parts where they can move. But remember, we're constrained at this point here, at this long post. So even if I move this in or out, it's just going to rotate. It's at the point where it's constrained at. All right. If I took the constraint off it, then it would slide, slide all over the place. But um, there you have it, and you can set, you can set this how you want to. But there is our assembly. Let's go back to our original assembly. All right. Here's our pivot assembly. I'll create it. Okay. So next we'll move on to where we create a presentation. We'll start a presentation file where we create an exploded view of this pivot assembly.